Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Scott from Wisconsin Landscaping, and in this video we have a little shed that we're going to put a patio in the front of the door here and then a little wall around the shed. As we clean out the area for the patio, you can see here we're starting to dig for the footing for this wall block here, and we are laying it out now, and we can see we're installing it. And as there, you can see the footprint of the patio in the front. Now you see we're throwing here 1/8 inch chips down here. We'll just level it off and then set our flagstone on it because the flagstone has such variance of difference thickness. We'll set them down and then we'll go through it and individually level them. And here you can see we're installing the border of the patio. In the back here we'll have concrete steps set in there. There'll be two 48 inch by 18 inch steps. Once this wall is built, we'll set them in there and they'll be able to step up into the shed. And here those two steps are. They're 48 inches wide and 18 inches deep. Now you can see it takes two guys to set them. They're fairly heavy, but once they're in, they rarely move. Now here's that flagstone. We kind of leveled it off, but you can't really screed it because you can see the thickness difference. So we'll lay it all down there, see how it looks, and then we'll come through and raise and lower and make everything level. As you can see, like right there, see how we're doing it. We're pulling each piece out and resetting each stone to make sure it's level. You can see the level. You don't want to go too crazy, but you want to be fairly level and make it look nice. There you can see we finished the patio. Now we're gonna put in topsoil, seed, and straw. The patio, we didn't bond it. We just threw the 1/8 inch chips in there. There's such a huge gap in between each. Putting bonding sand in there would be almost worthless. So we always put the 1/8 inch chips in there. As you can see here, we're gonna seed, we're gonna straw it, and this is the end of the job. If you enjoyed this video, if you could, please like, subscribe, and comment if you would. We'll have plenty more of these videos on the way. Look at that, beautiful. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Also, please check out our TikTok page and Instagram page at Whisk Landscaping. Appreciate it. Thank you.